Why doesn't screen mirroring work on Netflix? So if you want to know why doesn't screen mirroring work on Netflix, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection, because first up, a poor internet connection can cause screen mirroring issues on your Netflix. When the internet connection is slow or inconsistent, it can cause buffering, lag, or interrupted playback while mirroring the screen to another device. So make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And it's also important to note that the device that you are trying to connect to has the same internet connection as of your iPhone. Also, screen mirroring may not work on all devices due to compatibility issues. Both devices, the one that you are mirroring from and the one that you are mirroring to, should support screen mirroring and have compatible software versions. Make sure that your device operating system and hardware support video, stream, mirroring, and then go ahead and open up a movie or a show. And further, you need to tap on the top right, which has that screen mirroring symbol beside that cross symbol. After that, you will see all of the available devices on the bottom. You will have connect to, and you need to go and connect to the device. And in this way, you'll be able to use screen mirror on Netflix. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.